Rubbermaid Brilliance leak-proof food storage containers is a product that shines in the world of food storage solutions. With over 10 years of expertise in product marketing and writing, I am pleased to provide you with an unbiased review of this exceptional product. Rubbermaid, a renowned brand known for its quality and reliability, offers a range of food storage containers to meet the diverse needs of consumers. The Brilliance leak-proof food storage containers are a true testament to their commitment to excellence. One of the standout features of these containers is their clarity. Made from clear plastic, they allow users to easily identify the contents without having to open them, saving both time and effort. This is particularly useful when dealing with a busy kitchen or a refrigerator full of various items. The material used in the construction of these containers is plastic, and it is worth mentioning that they are made from BPA-free materials. This ensures that your food—
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.